Welcome, dear soul. This is a new day, a fresh beginning. A chance to pause, to breathe, and to connect with yourself. Find a comfortable position. Let your body relax. Let your mind slow down. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And gently breathe out. Again. Inhale clarity. Exhale any tension. Let this be your moment of stillness. Before the world begins to move around you, feel the ground beneath you, supporting you fully. Feel the air around you. Cool, soft, alive. Bring your attention to your breath. No need to control it. Just notice it. Coming in and going out. With every breath you awaken. With every breath you arrive deeper into this moment. Now, gently repeat in your heart. Today I choose peace. Today I move with clarity and calm. I welcome this new beginning. I am grounded, I am focused, I am ready. Let these words settle in your mind. Let them guide your energy. Imagine your day beginning with ease. Everything flowing naturally. You moving through tasks with grace. Calm in your heart. Confidence in your steps. Let this calm energy wrap around you like a soft light. You are not in a hurry. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Now bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch softly if it feels good. Take one last deep breath. Smile gently. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Take this calm with you. Let it guide you through the day. One breath at a time. You are ready. This day is a gift. Begin it with peace.